A Yemeni human rights organization has criticized the silence of the international community and the United Nations regarding the crimes against humanity that are taking place in Yemen. This came during the revival of the Voice of the Child human rights organization in Taiz, southwest, on the International Children's Day. The event comes at a time when children in Yemen in general and in the city of Taiz in particular are living in extremely difficult humanitarian conditions due to the war and the siege imposed on them for 7 years. Olfat Al-Dabai, a human rights activist, said while the world is looking at the International Children's Day in the methodology of developing children, presenting them with new artistic styles and providing them with all programs that create a suitable environment for them for a bright future, we find that children in Yemen are targeted in an ugly way. Al-Dabai criticized the silence of the United Nations and the international community towards humanitarian crimes in Yemen against children. Earlier this year, the United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF announced that 1,000 children or 10,000 children have been killed or injured in Yemen since the outbreak of the war in March 2015, which is equivalent to 4 children a day. Yemen has been witnessing for nearly 7 years a war that has claimed 233,000 lives, and 80% of the population, numbering about 30 million, has become dependent on aid to survive in the worst humanitarian crisis in the world, according to the United Nations.